Hey guys, welcome back to Cora's Cozy Castle, or welcome if you're new. I'm Kristen, and I want to just take a second and thank everybody for all of the very nice supportive comments on my last video, as I kind of told you guys that I want to take this channel in a direction of more decluttering and more of a minimalist style lifestyle. But today's video, I'm going to declutter my master bedroom's main dresser area that's like right below me here. I hope that you guys enjoy it. If you did, leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and let me know if you are joining me on this minimalist journey.
Hey, I wish you could see yourself just sitting there on my chair. I'm staring at you, you don't even notice. Should've told you straight away, you don't have to be afraid. just your head and your heart. That's what my mama said. Weeks and months and years they passed, but then I found something I knew would last. Just like my mama said, gradually fades away.
I kind of like did a first look at everything, and then I kind of like went back through and I got rid of like more stuff as I went. So what I like to do when I'm decluttering is get a trash bag and then a donation bag, and that way I can just like get rid of it just right then and there. And okay, so I try to put everything like back where it goes, and then I kind of went through and I just eliminated like more stuff, and I was just like, I don't like the way this fits, or because I'm really trying to get down to a capsule wardrobe. You guys are going to see me wearing a lot of black leggings and black shirts because I just like the way I look in them. So I kept things like that I knew I would 100% wear. Okay, so I've got a nice little trash bag going, a nice size donation bag out of this. Guys, I'm so excited. I have drawers in here that are just completely empty. This whole section, I don't know how much the camera, how I have the shot, but I really like to just think about the drawers are empty and I'll never have to organize them again. So, you know, you don't have to fill up every single space in your home. If you have space that is empty, that is okay. You do not need to fill up every single space. I used to think that you know, if I had empty drawers, like what can I put in the drawer? And I would just kind of fret about that a little bit. So I'm excited that I just have like empty drawers. And here comes my little puppies and my little 2-year-old. Say hey to the camera.
Hi.
So we're going to go take this to Goodwill. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope it gave you lots of decluttering and minimalist motivation, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. All right, much love.
With you by my side, if you're in, meet me here